What's up all, welcome again for another amazing video and welcome back again to our channel. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I feel really grateful for your continued support. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I did transform this dining area that you see on the screen. This is how it looked. So I'm going to be peeling off the wallpaper and I'm going to be painting it with the color which was off-white, but you will see the color as the video continues. So the first thing I had to do is removing everything here so that I can clear the space here. And if you remember or you have watched my previous videos, you saw that this was my TV wall and I changed the TV wall. So make sure you go back to my channel and see all the videos that I've already uploaded about this house transformation series so that you can understand everything or every video that I'm going to be uploading, so that we can go together as I do this transformation. So this wall was the TV wall, so now I'm changing it to a dining table, and the setup that I've just removed there was just to show you how you can transform a boring or a dining area like this one to something more interesting. And I was going for a minimal living for this one because I didn't want the space to be crowded with a lot of things. And I hope you will enjoy the video, so make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, all the processes, all the tools that I've used in this video, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Make sure to tell me in the comment section what you think about the video, how you think about the makeover of this space. Yeah, tell me in the comment section. And also don't forget to share with your friends and family. That is the only support you can give me, by liking the video, commenting on it and sharing, and I will be very, very grateful. So now I've just shown you the paste that I had, this one that I'm showing you on the screen. This was a filler which comes as you have seen in the video. So I had to mix it with water to bring out this paste, and then I'm going to be filling these holes. So this is basically what you need to do when you want to fill your holes. You can just go buy a filler from your local hardware and mix it with water, and then you fill your holes before you start doing the paint work. So now I'm just continuing removing the wallpaper so that I can do the paint work. After I'm done with the paintwork, this is how the wall looks like. So now I can start doing the rest of the work. So I went back to the shop to make the dining table that I'm going to be using, and I was just making a very simple dining table, but we'll see it how it will look. So I'm just preparing the legs for the top, and then after that I'm just going to be assembling the whole dining table here, and then I'm going to take it back to the house and then continue with setting up the area. So just keep watching the video, and if this is the kind of videos that you like, that is transformation videos, makeover videos, like I do a transformation videos for the houses, also for small spaces, and also I do transformation or makeovers for beds, old beds. That is, I change them, like the wooden beds, I change them to these modern beds that you usually see. That is the Chester tufted channel beds, all of them. You can just visit the channel because we have a lot of content that you can enjoy and learn one or two from them. So make sure to visit our channel, All Things With Us, and watch the rest of our videos. And also I just want to urge you to like the videos and comment on them so that they can get pushed by the YouTube logarithm and I get more views. Yeah, thank you so much. So make sure to watch till the end and tell me what you think about the video. See you in the next video.